This is the refrigerator body, as I call it. This is probably one of the best Mercedes that they've ever created, besides the old Pullman, the 600. This car is just the beast. This is like the Lexus LS430, what it wanted to be. This was Crazy Joe's car. This is the one he bought when he kind of became successful. And yeah, I know, but it's not a 600 or anything. Here's another one. He has a white one. Got ruined though, unfortunately. But this one was always a special one. It was kept in his garage downstairs. Pretty cool too, in his basement. And you could like go into his basement and see the car within the garage. But this was like the success of, hey, oh, here's Phil's LS430 right here. But yeah, this is like, the Japanese clone of this. And of course the LS430 or the 400 was one of the best cars ever made too. Big body Lexus, and it's a shame they couldn't get it right ever since. But this particular car was Crazy Joe's car, and he unfortunately passed away many years ago. Great guy. He was crazy in a sense that he was a crazy nice guy. There's a little ping there. I bet you that probably happened over the years of just sitting around here. It stays over the underhang or whatever. See another little ping. And what is this? Guess it got scratched. Actually, you could actually wet sand that and make that a lot better. That's some not so good touch up, but this car is pretty much flawless in a sense for what year it is and everything else. It's got a little ping here. Ping. I don't know why it's out. I haven't even asked Phil. I'll find out if they're going to sell it. It's a shame though. I know what this car means. It's about to destroy another touch up that's not that good. Another little ping right there underneath. Another one here. Most people don't see this kind of stuff too. Another little scratch here. All right. For what it is. Not bad at all. Princess Diana had a nice run of this. The crazy part is what? The driver survived, but some reason they died in the back. Just think about the hit. What is it, got a K40 under there? Actually, it was never in this car. It was in Joe's white car. He still has the hats in the back and everything. Pretty cool. I don't think is the electric on? Oh yeah, it is. Okay. So yeah, let me find out what the deal is with this car, but I figured I'd show it because it's a real shame. I know it's got pretty low. It's probably got like 60, 70,000 miles on it. Not much. Let me find out what's going on.